In this video, you'll learn how to get started with Framer in just a few minutes, so you can begin building beautiful websites without writing a single line of code. First, go to framer.com and sign up for a free account. You can sign in with Google, Apple, or email once you're in. Framer will take you straight to your dashboard where all your future projects will live. Next, click New Project to create your first website. You can start from a blank canvas for full creative freedom, or choose one of Framer's ready-made templates to move faster with a professional design already in place. Now, explore the visual editor. On the left, you'll find your pages and layers. In the middle is your design canvas, and on the right is the properties panel where you can customize every element with just a few simple clicks. After that, start building your site. Drag and drop text, images, buttons, and sections. Then customize colors, fonts, and layouts. You can also add animations, hover effects, and scroll interactions to make your website feel truly alive. Once everything looks great, make your site responsive using Framer's built-in breakpoints for tablet and mobile. Then click Publish to take your website live instantly with free hosting, SSL, and a Framer subdomain included. And that's it. You're now ready to get started with Framer and build your first stunning website with confidence.